How to check your email password on iPhone. If you previously saved it on your iPhone or Google account, you may be able to view it. Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Passwords. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode to unlock your saved passwords. Now, use the search bar to find your email provider, such as Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or another email service. Tap the account to view the saved username and password. You can also tap the password to copy it. If you use Google Password Manager, open Safari on your iPhone and go to passwords.google.com. Sign into your Google account if required. Tap the account and authenticate when prompted. You can then view or copy the saved password. Keep in mind that you can only view a password if it was previously saved in your iPhone's Passwords app or Google Password Manager. If it wasn't saved, you'll need to use your email provider's Forgot Password option to reset it. And that's it. That's how you can find a previously saved email password on your iPhone or through Google Password Manager. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone and email tips and tutorials.